Hello, good evening. This is Doc Severson for the ReadySetCrypto OMNIA trade of the day for Thursday, the 22nd of July. So second day in a row, we've seen some positive price movement. There is, I'd say, about 6 hours left in today's trading day. So if we have decent price movement and more importantly, good volume up near this area, we stand a chance at breaking higher. And the thing that you need to watch for at this point right now is for the price to break these descending trend lines across the board. So that's going to be the main impediment because everybody sees that level and the bears are going to defend that area aggressively. Now, if they get bent over backwards, this is where we can get the bears to cover, which adds more demand and puts a stronger bid underneath the market. Okay, so again, nice move for the last couple of days. It was good to see an undercut of 30,000 that increased the bearishness and the desperation of that level and increased the odds that a lot of bears were waiting on. And these are newer bears, were waiting for the price to break 30,000 before they went short. And this creates this very, very obvious situation, creates a very weak hand moment for those new term bears. And so this is why we can see short covering. And so far we've seen, pretty decent moves so far, close to about 5,000 points off of the bottom just 2 days ago. Now looking at this, a less than 1% move is not going to get it done, especially on lower volume today. But again, what I said yesterday was it's a good start and today is a good continuation for this, but I'd like to see stronger, more aggressive price behavior and better volume. We're seeing this across just about everything right now. 1800 was aggressively defended on Ethereum. The price does need to get well above 2000. I would say 2200 needs to be the target for this to get above this descending trend line. Just about everything that we're seeing is bouncing today. Now, some are stronger than others. We're seeing a really nice bounce from, in this case, Stellar Lumens with a tremendous, if we throw the MACDs on there, we are more than likely going to see, let's take a look here. We're more than likely going to see a very nice positive divergence. And yes, that is the case. We're seeing a very nice positive divergence on equal lows between this low in late June and the one today, and much higher lows on the MACD histogram. So this is all good. And we're seeing pretty good volume, not great, but today really better volume than actually yesterday on Stellar Lumens. So this one right now is one of the strongest ones out there at up about 16%. And we can go through the rest of these, but they're showing nearly the same pattern across the board. This is by far the strongest coin over the recent days here, which is Axie Infinity, AXS. Strong 2 days here. Big close yesterday near the highs. Big volume showing up as well too. This one is just tremendous. As well as Hex, this has been a very good chart pattern. And this is building up energy as well too after this big move. And this is all good. So right now I consider this to be, even though this is negative today, this is still very, very positive price action, range expansion, range contraction. Watch for, like everything else, watch for the trend line break in this case. Trend line break above and above 15 cents would be a great entry on Hex at this point as measured through Uniswap. That's it for today's report. We'll see you back here on Sunday with the weekend edition, and we'll see what kind of mayhem we get into over the weekend. Take care, folks.